2022 was a year with a difficult geopolitical situation in the world. The year of sanctions, pressure and restrictions on cargo transportation to Russia. Despite these difficulties, Barrus Projects continues to work on cargo transportation to implement our country's key projects. In 2022, our company successfully carried out the delivery of high tonnage and large-sized equipment to the town of Swobodny for the construction of the Amur gas and chemical plant. As part of this project, Barrus organized delivery of 4 consignments and proceeded transshipment of 5 consignments on the roadstead of De-Kastri port. Performed transshipment from sea vessels and fastened the cargo on 20 river sea barges, and also performed all the necessary customs procedures. Unique technological equipment for pyrolysis facility, including furnaces, compressors, plate heat exchangers and boilers, were delivered for the construction of the Amur gas and chemical plant. The total volume of transported cargo and handled by our company was over 15,000 cubic meters and over 15,000 metric tons, including 3 boilers weighing over 400 tons each. Due to the enormous volume of cargo, as well as the tight navigation schedule, the loading of all vessels was close to maximum. Dozens of temporary cargo plans were developed by our specialists to find optimal solutions for placing all the equipment and loading it safely. Due to sanctions restrictions, the number of vessels ready to deliver cargo to Russia decreased dramatically. For the vessels found and selected, our company carried out comprehensive maintenance, renovated the ship's cranes, and purchased the missing cargo equipment. Our own crane operators work at the loading and unloading points, which allowed us to fully control the work process. The key stage was transshipment at the Russian port of De-Kastri. It was the closest point on the coast of the Tara Strait from where the cargo could reach its destination. Because of the shallow depths at the dock, the entire volume of equipment was reloaded at a roadstead 5 miles from shore. Huge equipment weighing almost 16,000 tons was to be loaded onto river barges so that it could continue its way along the Amur and Zaya rivers. During the whole project realization, engineering and cargo safety supervision was provided by Barrus company's own staff. Our engineers, stevedores, lashing crews, despite the challenging environment, managed the task perfectly, carrying out the cargo delivery in full volume and in a very short time. Under the supervision of Barrus specialists, the transshipment was carried out as quickly as possible and, most importantly, under the changeable sea weather. Transshipment of the last batch of cargo was completed on October the 2nd in the water area of the seaport. Barrus Projects remains a reliable partner that successfully implements logistics and engineering projects of any complexity, anywhere in the world.